So today we have to discuss about the topic is operation of a rational number. Okay, means in previous class we have to discuss about that comparison of a rational number. Now next we have to given that the operation of a rational number. All of you know that there is a main mathematics operation. Everyone know about that which is that it's the plus, minus, multiplication and division. This is the four operation of a mathematics. Okay, now here we have to see here how to add two rational number or more than two rational number, how to subtract rational number, how to divide and how to multiply. We have to see here the detail. See here, first point is a rational numbers with the same denominator. First we have to discuss about the addition of a rational number. Okay, in addition of a rational number we have to given the first point is a same denominator rational number. Okay, see here P upon Q and R upon S we have to given the two rational number. Okay, there see here their denominator is same. Then P upon Q plus R upon Q is equal to P plus R upon Q. Means the when you have to given the same denominator rational number, then we have to add numerator directly. Okay, add the numerator, compare the numerator directly. Means add the numerator directly. Okay, then for example, by using example 5 upon 30 plus 7 upon 30. Okay, there the here the denominator is same. Then how to solve? Add numerator directly. 5 plus 7 upon 30 is equal to 5 plus 7 is how much? It's a 12 upon 30. 12 upon 30, it is the answer. Okay, this types of we have to solve the same denominator rational number, addition of a same denominator. Okay, then now same here, subtraction of a rational number. How to subtract the same denominator rational number? Another example is a C by using, first we have to discuss this formula. P upon Q minus R upon Q. Okay, same we have to only change their sign. P upon Q minus R upon Q is equal to, what is that? We have to, here we have to add numerator directly. Then here what you do? P minus R means the subtract numerator directly. P minus R upon Q. Okay, for example 9 upon 11 minus 5 upon 11. Okay, take any other example. 9 upon 11 minus 5 upon 11. Then how to subtract? 9 minus 5, subtract numerator directly. And when you have to subtract numerator directly, when you have to given the same denominator rational number. Then 9 minus 5 is a 4 upon 11. This types of we have to subtract it, the same denominator rational number. Okay, so it is a rational number with the different denominator. Okay, then when you want to given the two rational number, their different denominator, then how to add and how to subtract. See here, P upon Q plus R upon S, there is the different denominator rational number we have to add is equal to, how to solve there? We have to use the two methods, LCM method and cross multiplication method. Okay, then see here the cross multiplication method, P multiplied by S plus R multiplied by Q upon Q multiplied by S. This is the cross multiplication. Okay, now how to solve by using the LCM method? By using this example I will explain. 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6 by using LCM method we have to add. Okay, then LCM of the, which number? LCM of 4 and 6 is what? What is the LCM of 4 and 6 is the 24. Okay, then we have to always find the LCM of the denominator. Then after that write the LCM 24. Then 4 multiplied by which number you get the answer is 24. It's a 4 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Then also the 3 multiplied by 6. Then 6 multiplied by which number you get the answer is 24. How much? 6 4s are 24. Then also the 5 multiplied by plus 5 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now 6 3s are 18 plus 5 4s are 20 upon 24 is equal to 80 plus 20 is what? 38 upon 24. Now see here 38 upon 24. 38 upon 20. Now you got the answer is 38 upon 24. Then 38 upon 24 is reduced. Then you have to also reduce here. Then which number is it? 2 19s and 2 12s. Then what is the final answer? 19 upon 12. Okay, is the answer. Then 19 upon 12 is also we have to convert into the what? Mixed fraction. Okay, then after we have to convert into 19 is 19 divided by 12. We have to convert into the mix. Then what is your answer? 1 whole 7 upon 12 is the answer. Okay, then 12 one is 12 plus 7, 19 upon 12. This types of we have to solve the addition of a rational number with different denominator. Okay, now see here the subtraction. Okay, subtraction, how to subtract? P upon Q minus R upon S we have to give word, then you have to also the cross multiply. P multiplied by S minus R multiplied by Q upon Q multiplied by S. Then this is the cross multiplication. Now we have to use here the LCM method. See this question. 7 upon 9 from 8 upon 21. 7 upon 9 from 8 upon 21. What is this? Means what is the meaning of that? This type of question how to solve. In front of the from terms we have to write firstly always. Okay. Then what is that? 8 upon 21 minus 7 upon 9. First you have to arrange here. 8 upon 21 minus 7 upon 9. Now we have to use the LCM of 21 and 9. What is that? Is a 63. Which is the LCM of the 21 and 9 is a 63. Now write down the 63 here. Now 21 multiply which number you get answer 63. 3 is a, and 9 also the multiply which number you get the answer is a 63. 7 is a. Okay. Now 8 also 21 multiplied by 3 is a 63. Then 8 also multiply by which number? 3 minus 7 multiplied by 9 7 is 63. That's why 7 multiplied by which number also the 7. Then 8 3 is 24 minus 7 7 is 49 minus upon 63 is equal to. Now 24 minus 49 upon 63 is equal to what is the 24 minus 49 is what? Minus 25 upon 63. This is the final answer of a subtraction. Okay. Is this type of by using the cross multiplication, you have to use the cross multiplication. Other is a LCM method. We have to, by using this method, we have to properly solve the any subtraction and addition of a rational number. Okay. Then next one is a multiplication of a rational number. Okay, in operation of a rational number, very simple topic. This very simple term is a which is that multiplication. Means the how to multiply two rational numbers. Okay, P upon if you are given the P upon Q and R upon S are two rational numbers. P upon Q multiplied by R upon S is equal to how to multiply? There is a simple formula is a multiply numerator multiply by numerator upon denominator multiply by denominator. Okay, another one is a product of numerator upon product of denominator. Okay, you have to use this method. Okay, then see here simple example 5 upon 8 multiply by 7 upon 9. How to solve this question? 5 upon 8 multiply by 7 upon 9 is equal to 5 multiply by 7 multiply product of numerator upon product of denominator. Okay, then 5 7 are it's what 35 and 8 9s are 72. That is a simple concept of the multiplication. Okay, this types of we have to multiplication of a rational number. Okay, another one is a now last one is a division of a rational number. How to divide two rational numbers? Okay, see here. If again we have to give the take an example P upon Q and R upon S are the two rational number, then P upon Q is divided by R upon S is equal to P divided by Q. Okay, multiply by S divided by R. S divided by R means how to form S divided multiply by S divided by R. See here how to form how to get a S upon R. In a division, we have to always find when you have to divide any two rational number, we have to always find another reciprocal of the another rational number. This is the first rational number. This is the another rational number. Another rational number is divided by first rational number. Then we have to find the reciprocal of this R upon S. What is mean by reciprocal? All of you know that interchange the denominator and numerator. Okay, this is the reciprocal. Then what is the reciprocal of R upon S? Is a S upon R. Okay, then after the we have to find the reciprocal is a what is multiplied by S upon R. Okay, let's see here example. Minus 15 upon 28 divided by 25 upon 42. Okay, then how to solve this example? Minus 15 upon 28 we have to write as it is minus 15 upon 28 multiply by what is the reciprocal of the 25 and 40 upon 42? It's a 42 upon 25. Okay, what is this? It is a reciprocal. Reciprocal of 25 upon 42 is what? 42 upon 25. Okay? Then reciprocal of 25 upon 42 is a 42 upon 25. Then minus 50 upon 28 multiply by 42 upon 25. Okay. Now see here, observe this term. Means most of the term is reducible. Okay, which is that common divisor 5 is divided by this number 50. Okay, it is what? 5 3s are. Okay, 5 5s are. Then it is another one is 14 2s are and 40 3s are. Okay, if most of the terms is reducible, then you have to reduce it. After that is equal to. Write down their remaining terms. Remaining terms means what is here? Minus 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 5. Okay, now we have to multiply. Minus 3 multiply by 3 is what? Minus 9 and 2 multiply by 5 is 10. That is the answer. This types of we have to use a division method. Okay, see here one note is suppose we have to find the reciprocal of this P upon Q. If we have to find the reciprocal of the P upon Q, reciprocal of P upon Q, Q upon P. Okay, reciprocal you have to find the P upon Q, then you get the definitely wrong answer. Don't find this first rational number reciprocal. Always find in division another numbers reciprocal. Okay, this types of we have to multiply and division. Okay, these types of we have to solve the addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Okay. Now students, today's homework you have to write down. Okay, simplify what simple questions you have to according to your four operation of the rational number. What given this 4 example, simple example you have to do. Okay, according to this method you have to solve the problem.